Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's practice. Today's practice is designed as just a short and sweet 20 or so minute practice that you can do every day, or just on the days where you just want a full body movement practice, just to energize, open up and feel good. So we're going to start today just standing at the top of the mat into mountain pose. Feet can be together or feet can be apart. Just find a nice tall stance. Let the shoulders soften. And let's just close the eyes and take a deep breath in through the nose. And then open the mouth, let it go. And let's just do that one more time. Big breath in. And then open the mouth, let it go. And just let the eyes flicker open. Inhale, send your arms up to the sky, stretch up through the fingertips. Exhale, bend your knees, begin to fold forwards, hinging from the hips, hands down, head to knee. As you breathe in, bring your hands to your shins, find a flat back position, lengthening your spine. And then as you breathe out, just refold, come over and down. We'll repeat that twice. So as you inhale, let's sweep the arms all the way up to standing, reaching up towards the sky. Breathing out, bending the knees as you forward fold, just finding some movement in the spine. Inhale to halfway lift, hands to the shins as you lengthen your spine. And then breathing out, forward fold, hands down, head in. Inhale to standing, sweep the arms all the way up again, full stretch through the fingertips. And then one more time, exhale, forward fold, hands down, head towards the legs. Breathing in, hands to shins, find your flat back. And then this time as you breathe out, place the hands down, step back to your high plank position. Find a strong straight line, upper push-up position. You can always drop the knees here. And then if it feels good, just use your toes and just begin to rock forwards and backwards. So just warming up through the ankles, through the wrists, while finding some engagement and some heat through the whole body. Beautiful. Finding stillness. Let's take a deep breath in. And then as you breathe out, lower the left knee to the mat. So the left knee is underneath the hip. On an inhale, press into the hands. Let's lift the right leg off the mat. And then exhale, point your right toe. Lift your left arm forwards, coming into your balancing bird dog, your balancing tabletop position. From there, as you breathe in, let's lengthen and extend the arm and the leg. And then exhale, bring the elbow to the knee to the elbow. Inhale, extends the arm, extends the leg. Exhale, elbow to knee, knee to elbow. One more time, inhale, extend, extend, extend. Exhale, squeeze, 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 keep pressing through that right hand. Inhale to extend the arm and the leg. Keep the right leg lifted as you exhale, place the left hand back to the mat. From there, begin to send your left toes over to the left slightly more. And then begin to open the hip to the right and then send the right arm to the sky, coming into this side plank variation. Flex the right foot away, reach the right arm over the ear. Take an inhale, stretch and reach. And an exhale, just hold it there. Beautiful. And then looking towards your left thumb. On an inhale, begin to draw your right knee towards your chest as much as you can. And then you can use your right hand here. We're going to step the right foot to the top of the mat. Bring both hands down to the mat. Take your left toes to face the back of the mat again. Look forwards, press into the right foot. Inhale, low lunge, Anjaneyasana. As you breathe out, just sink into it, finding that stretch through the hip flexor. Beautiful. Breath in and breath out. Take one more breath in. And as you exhale, release your hands down, frame your right foot. Tuck the back toes under, lift the back knee, drop the back heel. And then as you inhale, we're going to open into Warrior Two. Once you're in Warrior Two, adjust your feet. Keep drawing that right knee forwards, spreading through the fingers, spreading through the toes. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful. And then on your next inhale, let's straighten that right leg. Send the arms up to the sky. And as you exhale, let's just bend back into our Warrior Two. So just finding some breath to movement here. As you breathe in, reaching up. And as you breathe out, bend into it. And then last inhale here lifts you up. And then this time, exhale, keep the legs straight, open the arms wide into a T. On an inhale, lean forwards. Exhale, triangle pose, right hand to the shin, left arm reaches up to the sky or maybe onto the hip. And maybe you gaze up, maybe you gaze down, just find which works. Deep breath in and a deep breath out. Breathing in. And then exhale, look down. Inhale, Warrior Two, bend the right knee, rise back up. And then as you exhale, we're going to cartwheel the left hands to the right big toe, right arm to the sky and lift the left heel up, coming into our easy twist. Once you're there, can you draw that right hip back? Can you gaze towards the left thumb? Pressing through the right foot, left hand. Let's take one more big breath in. And then exhale, right hand back to the mat. Inhale, step back to your high plank position. And then exhale, knees up or down, lower slowly to the belly. Inhale for Cobra, lifting up across the chest. And then exhale to the knees, tuck your toes, and then lift up into your first downward facing dog. And just have a little wiggle here if that feels good. Maybe shake the hips, bend one knee, bend the other knee. Amazing. And then eventually just finding stillness. On an inhale, look forwards to the front of the mat. And then exhale, just walk your feet or step all the way to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, hands to shins or thighs. Exhale as you forward fold. Inhale to standing, circle the arms all the way up, Urdhva Hastasana. And then exhale, pull your hands to heart center, mountain pose, Tadasana. Let's inhale, send your arms up to the sky. Exhale, forward fold, come down into it. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, hands down, step back to high plank position. Again, find that strong straight line, little tuck of the tailbone, you're pressing the floor away. Take a deep breath in. And then as you breathe out, lower the right knee to the floor so the right knee is underneath the hip. Inhale, lift the left leg up. And then exhale, point the left toe, maybe send the right arm forwards as well. Squeeze the bum, engage the core. Take an inhale as you extend and lengthen. And as you exhale, elbow to knee, knee to elbow. We're crunching into that little ball. 2 more times. Breathing in, extend and reach. Breathing out, draw it all in. Breathing in, extend, extend, extend. Breathing out, crunch into your tightest little ball so far. Inhale to extend and lengthen. Keep the left leg lifted. Exhale the right hands to the mat. Take your right toes off slightly to the right. Begin to open the left hip, left arm to the sky, coming into that side plank variation. Once you're there, think about your hips drawing slightly forwards, and then maybe reach that left arm over the ear, getting that full side body stretch in. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Amazing. And then look down to that right thumb. On an inhale, begin to draw the left knee as high to the armpit, to the chest as you can. And then the left foot's going to step forward. So remember, you can always use your left hand to take it there. Take your right toes to the back of the mat. Bend the left knee. Inhale, Anjaneyasana, low lunge. Stretching, reaching, just feeling the hips drawing forwards. Breathing in and breathing out. Really nice. Let's take one more inhale, low lunge. Exhale, fingers to the floor, framing that left foot. Tuck the back toes, lift the back knee, drop the back heel flat. And then inhale, warrior two, cartwheel the arms open. Adjust your feet, bend into that left knee as you exhale into your warrior two. Beautiful, just taking a breath in and a breath out. Lovely, and then let's move with the breath. So flip both palms. Inhale, straighten the left leg, send your arms to the sky. Exhale, bend back into warrior two. Again, inhale, straighten and reach. Exhale, warrior two. This time, inhale, straighten that left leg, reach up. Keep the left leg straight as you exhale, open the arms to a T. Turn your thumbs up, inhale, lean forwards, preparing for triangle pose. Exhale, triangle, left hand to shin or thigh, right arm to the sky. And then again, just find your balance, find your pose, find your breath. Let's take one more breath in. Exhale, look down. Inhale, warrior two, bends the left knee, rise. And then exhale, easy twist. We're going to cartwheel the right hands down, lift the right heel, left arm to the sky. Turn open the chest, really try to feel the stretch through the outer left glute. Taking a deep inhale here. And then exhale, left hands to the floor. Inhale, step back to high plank position. And then exhale, knees up or down, lower slowly down to the belly. Inhale for cobra, lifting up, opening the front body. And then exhale, tuck your toes, lift into your downward facing dog. And again, you can move around, you can shake the hips. Just doing what feels good, maybe finding stillness, but just finding that connection again to the breath. Let's take a deep breath in. Open the mouth, let it go. Lovely. Inhale, look forwards. Exhale, drop your knees. Untuck your toes and just come into a kneeling position here. If that's really uncomfortable, sit yourself up on a block or just scoot yourself around. Grow nice and tall through the spine. Let's release the arms next to the hips. On an inhale, circle the arms up to the sky. Grab your right wrist with your left hand and just begin to side bend over towards the side of the room. Really nice. Inhale, rise back up. Switch wrists and exhale, side bend to the right. Inhale, rise back up. Exhale, circle the hands behind you, interlacing the fingers. And then begin to pull the fists down, up and back, lifting the chest. Just getting into the shoulders. Let's take a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. Really nice. And then release the arms. Bring your hands to heart center. Close the eyes. Take a deep breath in. Open the mouth, let it go. 2 more like that. Breathe in. Big sigh, let it go. And then 1 more time, inhale. Exhale. And just bow the forehead to the fingertips. May you take this strength, this openness, yet this peace that you found with you and allow it to travel with you through the rest of your day. Thank you as always for showing up and sharing your time and energy and practice with me today. The light in me honours the light in you.